G'day, my name is Catherine Ball. I'm here in beautiful Australia and I'm also known as the Dame of Drones. I'm a huge proponent of Airwards. I think what the team is trying to do to help elevate and accelerate the industry is absolutely spot on. We need to celebrate our successes, we need to elevate the conversation, and we need to bring people who might not understand really what drones can do into the area so that they can fall in love with them the way we all have. I'm so excited to be not only a judge this year but also to be announcing a prize winner. So here we go. I'm going to announce the winner of the public safety category in the Giving Back group, and the winner is Cyberhawk. Woo! With How Drones Keep the Lights On. Well done, Cyberhawk. Great team that I've been watching out of the UK there for many years now, and it's so wonderful to see all the work that you're doing. So congratulations to all the winners, all the finalists, and if you took the effort to join this year, please do apply again next year. The level of entries is always so high, and we need to keep celebrating you and talking about your successes. So look forward to seeing you in the future rounds of Airwards. Thanks so much.
Hi, I'm Chris Fleming, the CEO of Cyberhawk, and we are delighted to have won this award. We've been flying drones since 2008, and in that time we've done over 100,000 commercial flights. Last year we inspected 30,000 transmission towers in California, all around keeping people safe and preventing wildfires. Thank you for this ringing endorsement. It really means a lot to us.